Hi guys, welcome to another episode of Vegan Street Food Homemade. Today we're making Tlayudas. It's basically a Mexican style pizza. We are toasting a healthy tortilla bread. I'm gonna make some creamy pinto beans and we're gonna top it with a walnut chorizo and some red cabbage slaw. Stay tuned because as always at the end of the video I'm gonna make a really beautiful plate and I'm also gonna show you how to make a avocado rose. Welcome to Ahimsa Kitchen. If you want to see more recipes like this, quickly hit that subscribe button not to miss out on anything. Today I'm using these tortillas, so it's the healthiest brand I can find in the store. They're made with oat flour and spelt. We're gonna toast it with a little bit of olive oil in a pan to make it crispy, and that's gonna be the base for our Mexican style pizza. Let's go and make our refried beans. I'm using pinto beans for this recipe. I also chopped up some onion and some garlic. We will need cumin, a blend of paprika and smoked paprika, and of course lots of cilantro and lime. Let's go and make our walnut chorizo. It's really a cool texture, so it's a little bit like a sausage, and then it also has like these spicy Mexican flavors you would expect from a chorizo, but of course it's super healthy and vegan as well. We will need some walnuts for these recipes. I'm using kidney beans here. I also chopped up some shallot, garlic of course, tomato paste, and some spicy jalapeno pepper, and we're gonna process that and add our spices. To give our plate some extra color, I'm gonna make a red cabbage slaw. I'm also gonna thinly slice some red onion, and we're gonna add a lot of fresh cilantro to it. And of course, lime juice is always a must in every Mexican dish. Now we are just missing our garnish, and I'm gonna make a beautiful avocado roast today, so stay tuned. In the end, we're also gonna add some cheddar cheese, so I'm using this brand from Violife today, but if you wanna get adventurous and make your own cheddar cheese, check out this video from Alison. She's really such an amazing, talented chef, and this is definitely a recipe you should try out. Okay, so we're almost ready to plate. Before we get started with our plating, I'm just gonna show you quickly how to make this really beautiful avocado rose. here it is our vegan healthy version of Tlayudas or Mexican style pizza. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, leave me a comment down below, leave me any suggestions for other vegan street food recipes you want me to make, and I can't wait to see you next week. Thanks for watching.